Hello friends, and welcome to episode 2 of the Super Bowl series. Today we're going to make these cute, personal, cheesy pull-apart breads. This recipe is perfect for those who are still COVID conscious and don't want a million different fingers up in the same bread. It's also perfect for those who don't like to share. To make our boules, we're going to start off with 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of powdered milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of warm water. Set that off to the side to allow your yeast to activate. And then you're going to add a 1/4 cup of olive oil and 1.5 more cups of flour. Once you have all your ingredients combined, it's going to come together to form a dough. And now you're going to knead your dough until it's soft and easy to work with. Divide your dough ball into about 6 sections. And you're going to roll these sections into smaller balls. Once they're rolled out, they should be about the size of a tennis ball. Brush on some egg wash and bake in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. Once your buns are fully baked, you're going to take them out of the oven and place them to the side to allow them to cool off. You want them to cool completely before cutting into them, because if you cut into them while they're still hot on the inside, you could smush your bread. Using a serrated knife, I'm going to cut square-sized chunks into the bread without fully cutting through to the bottom. Afterwards, you're going to spread your bread a little bit so that the chunks are loose. That way they're easier to pull out. Here I made a mixture of butter, garlic, and parsley, and I'm just brushing it on the inside of the chunks. Then you're going to take any cheese of your choice. I'm using mozzarella, and you're going to stuff it in between the little chunks. You're going to want to stuff it until you can't stuff it anymore. And then for the final step, I'm just brushing on a little bit more of the garlic butter mixture. Allow that to broil in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes and you are done.